Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying what you already own and what you must buy. This saves time. Once done, compare carrier coverage maps and pick a primary and backup provider. Next, buy a compatible SIM or eSIM and a travelable hotspot if needed. Make sure you have power options, battery pack or 12V adapter, and a planned antenna location with a clear view. This makes the rest of the setup straightforward and prevents equipment mismatches later. Now you assemble the core network. Install the modem or satellite terminal and connect it to a router that supports external antennas and VPN pass-through. Once the hardware is linked, configure the router. Set SSID, WPA3 or WPA2, DHCP ranges, and CoS rules so critical traffic gets priority. If covering multiple buildings, deploy mesh nodes or directional point-to-point radios and finish by running end-to-end tests. Measure throughput, latency, and route failover so you know recovery behavior. Once satisfied, lock down firmware updates, change default credentials, and segment guest from critical devices. Set up monitoring and automated alerts for link loss or high latency. If something fails, first reboot the modem and router, then inspect SIM seating, antenna cabling, and signal strength metrics. If problems persist, swap in a known good antenna or move the antenna higher. Small alignment changes often fix big issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.